selection of toys, do they? And they have larger ones. Just not the smaller ones. Look at this banana. They don't have the treats I'm looking for. PetSmart might have them. I'll head over to PetSmart. I just got out of the store. Oh, pet store number 1 at least. And I have, it's very cold out. I have decided that I am going to do an advent calendar of sorts for the birds. So I'm going to get 24 toys. I have 3. And I also found these adorable cat toys for Dexter. So, yeah. Spend an extra $5 here. I'm going to head over to PetSmart and see what they have for toys. Just got out of PetSmart. I was gonna film in there too, but there was a lot of people around, so I just did not. I got 3 more toys and a treat. So I've got 7 things out of 24. There's one more pet stop on my list, but they're not even open yet. Actually, yes, they are. They opened 9 minutes ago. Okay, so I'm gonna stop by over there, but then I've got to go home because I have class. I'm at class. That's the last pet store in the area. I'd have to leave town to go to the nearest one, which is 45 minutes away. But there's 2 of them over there. So, I can't do that today though, and I can't do it tomorrow. I can't do it until I have class and work tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. I don't have free time till Sunday. I might be able to do it Monday, because I don't work Monday. And I had to get out of class early on Monday. However, that's Thanksgiving week, right? Yeah, that's Thanksgiving week, so it's gonna be busy. People are gonna be leaving the area, traveling. I don't know, I might be able to get there on Monday. find enough toys today, then I will run in on Monday, which means there'll be a part 2 to this. Of course there will be, because I'm not putting it all together today. I just walked out of the last pet store in the area with 4 new toys and some treats. 1 thing of treats. But I know it's something Ghost likes, so yeah. I know that the treats is something Ghost likes. Ghost likes the dried fruit and the seed mix that I had been feeding her. So I bought something like that. Some treats like that. So I might have some toys still sitting at home from the boxes I got in the mail a couple months ago. So I can just add those to the mix because they haven't been used yet. So I currently have 11 or 12 items out of 24. I'm getting there, slowly. Depending on how much stuff I have, I may or may not need to run out of town on Monday, so let's see what we've got back home. It is snowing. It's snowing. So, I stopped at PetSmart. Got some toys. Since I have to buy 24 of them, I tried to buy cheaper ones. So a lot of them are small. Some of them are now. And of course I have treats. They're apricots. This is Petco. That's a cat toy. And this is from the local one. Nice big one. We've got sweet potato treats. Where did I put the other treats? Oh, they're right there. It's a little frog. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 things out of 24, so I'm halfway through. Let's see what I have laying around. This is gonna make some noise, and I'm so sorry. So these are unopened. These are unopened. These are unopened. These were half eaten by the cat when I left them with him by mistake, so I'm gonna fall over. So I'll put one of these in with it. That's 14. Hi, birds. These were Mango's foot toys. I want this box. Got this, more foot toys. That one's half eaten. That one. That one. And cat toys. Apparently. All of these are foot toys. But I don't have a bird that can use foot toys anymore. So I'll take these. Ignore the cat food thing. I feed Dexter out here because he's a very messy eater. And it's easier to clean hardwood floors. So that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 18 out of 24, so I only need 6 more. And I have plenty of boxes. I'm just going to put them all in here because I have more of those than everything else. So I need 6 more, and I don't do that till Monday, apparently.